What is up? Hope everybody's doing well out there in a beautiful world of the world. I am doing good, one day at a time, and got some fun treats for this Civic. So let's start off with hope everybody's day is going well, great weekend, and lots of relax over the weekend. For me, I'm doing a little bit of everything. Usually I say the storage, a little late. I ain't gonna say too late today, cause I just don't feel like it. That's how I feel. But I do have some more fun treats for this very lovely vehicle that's called the Civic. Let's see, what should we start off with? Oh, so just the lower control arm, I think I explained last time. I was gonna swap out, where we go, these bushings. And I thought about it, and I bought these bushings off of eBay. And I was gonna swap them out, but I was like, you know what? It's too much to do. So I sent them back. I just kept these as it is. Only thing I need to swap out is the bushings, the little bushes on top. That's the only thing was missing. So, common sense, don't work hard, think smarter. And so, I might put these in today. I don't know yet. It depends how I feel. So, I got new bushings for this side. Actually, it came with 2 of them. So, the other one's in the box. But yes, for both sides. So, I think, like I said, I might put them in today. Not quite sure. What else we got going on? Let me see if I can spin you around. It's for this lovely, that vehicle. There is treats for this vehicle also. Just waiting for it to come in. Oh, no, I got it. Yes. So my car's been acting up. I don't know why. What's up with the act? It gives me a little stutter. I don't know if it's car's old, so it's an O2. So I gotta figure out what I need to do. I don't know, it's the fuel injectors I just swapped out last year, I believe. It could be my spark plugs. I probably need to swap those out too. Maybe that might be it. But anyway, I'm gonna end up getting a whole new air intake for that one. That's coming in sometime next week. Back to this lovely vehicle over here. And as for the Subaru, the battery is dead. We gotta figure that out. But for the Civic, also have a couple things coming either next week also. So I got parts for the Acura and the Civic. On the Civic, I'm changing out my throttle body cable, and also I have the bracket for it. Not too bad. And also I just got them to focus up there. Ah, perfect. So I took my battery tray out, cleaned it, and sprayed it. Looks okay. It is what it is. I have the top for my fuse box. I scraped it. We spray painted it. And that's going up there. But tomorrow, when I say tomorrow, my friends, I say tomorrow. Tomorrow is Honda Fest. And so I am going to there without the car, unfortunately. Oh, breaks my heart. Without the car. And I'm kind of like, like I said before, it's only me that's doing work with the car. I do have friends that offer, I just don't know their schedules, so on and so forth. And that's for me. My schedule, work schedule, working, ordering parts, getting the parts, going to kickboxing, doing this, doing that. I try to slow myself down as much as possible because I need to get this stuff all done. So I got a couple things that's coming in. I got the cable, like I said, the cable, throttle body cable is coming in. I have the bracket for it also. Here's what so if you don't know me, now you will. I don't know if I can break it out. Oh, there we go, perfect. So I keep saying so. I don't know why I'm saying so today. It's just one of those days. I just had one of rough nights. So this is my a bracket that I was thinking about keeping, but it just looks so bulky. And I don't think I really want to keep it because, like I said, I don't know. I mean, I can't keep it, but it's a little bulky. I want something simple. Order a new one. It's coming in next week also. So yeah, so I have a lot of stuff that's gonna come in between the Acura and the Honda, and which is gonna be really wonderful. I still need to put the engine stuff back together, which I'm slowly getting this done. And speaking of, I gotta get this top back here. Oh, actually, no, I need to spray it. There's a couple things that I need to do. That is the top for the fuse box. I scratched it. What else we need to get going with this car? Yeah, pretty much I'm getting there. But I gotta do a lot of stuff before the disconnect whether it's really starts getting cold and whatnot. What else with that? The Honda. I think that's pretty much. Oh, hold on. I always say I don't make a list. There's my list. I think I got like 10. Yeah, I got like 10 things up there. But I might have to start adding more. I finally put a list together to figure out what I need to do for this car. And that's my list. It's a whole bunch of stuff up there. And I'm adding as I'm going what I need to put out. Because I always have this list on my phone. So wherever it's in my phone, I end up putting them on my list back here. Or what I checked off in my phone, I just put it on the board. That is my list. I finally got that list up. Look at it. 10 things, but it's going to be more than 10 things because stuff never says, when you say 10, it means 20. So that is what it is with the car. What else we got going on? Yes, hopefully I get these. The quicker I put this stuff on, it'll be one less thing I have to worry about. That's it. So I'm gonna actually I ain't gonna put them on today. Yep, got the hit list, got the lower front control arm to put on. I got the new bushings in place. I'm gonna put it in today. Afterwards, I'll probably take a picture of it, all that good stuff. What else is it? I think that was pretty much it. You know, I don't want to make my vlogs too long, but we got some stuff going on with the Civic, with the Acura. It don't stop. If I had the money I really had and just put everything together, these cars would be done, including that one over there, the Subaru. Oh, excuse me, including the Subaru. Something else I have in my mind. It's gonna happen as soon as I turn this phone off. As soon as I turn this camera off, it's gonna be like, oh, I remember what I had to say. I think that was pretty much it for the Civic and the Acura in my to-do list. Make sure you do a to-do list. I can't write on. I just gotta. This is my motivation right there. That yellow post-it back there. Oh, I think I know what it was. Also, when I get to the interior part, I think what I'm going to do, that's what it was. I might do my doors. I don't know if you ever seen this one, but this is it's a little dark in here. Here's my armrest. Pretty cool. Not too bad though. My car looks like junk in here, and that's yep, that's it. I think I am gonna do the doors. I don't know. It's a little sneaky preview in there. So I still got the material, but if I can't find the material, I might just, I'm sorry. Actually, I think I might have enough material for all 4 of the doors. Hey, might work it out. But thank you for, just thank you, universes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But tomorrow I am going to the Honda Fest. I'm excited to go. I'm mad because, again, this car ain't make it. If I had a shop, it'd be wonderful. I have to get the sticker for the fuse box. This is actually, that's the other thing too. So this is all beat up. So I need a whole new sticker for the fuse box. There is, I forgot the name of the company. And they're gonna be at Honda Fest. Hopefully they'll be there tomorrow. Cross fingers. And so hopefully I'll get, I just want to pick up like a couple things. I think a sticker. I'm gonna try to do a vlog with one of a couple companies and see if they was all right, if I could do a vlog with them tomorrow. That is gonna be my mission tomorrow. See if I could do a quick little vlog or a shout out or whatever the case may be. I think it's gonna be exciting. There's gonna be a lot of cars there, a lot of Civics. Boy, oh boy, I just wish I had a shop, man, like a little cool shop to deal with this. But it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be fun. I think it's like from 11 to 5 tomorrow. It's in Thompson, Connecticut, and I'm gonna be there. So walking around, figure out what I like to do in life with cars, like Civics or Acuras, or just things in general. That was so random. But thank you for watching and paying attention to me. I think we got it good. So as I'm putting this car together, it's gonna be more and more exciting for me. Cause like I said, the quicker I put this stuff in, the better. It's still a lot, but it's getting there. Yes, so thank you for subscribing. Thank you for looking. Thank you for paying attention to me. Not being cocky, just being cautious. And that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Catch you later. Peace.